now is a perfect moment, okay? More than ever, okay? Because no traffic. Very good quality, very good quality. Quiet, very silent, okay? Very good now. The afternoon, maybe it's 10 minutes more. The quality is lower. 10 minutes less, 20-25 minutes, but the quality is very good. On the right is a house, the poet Goethe. The poet from Germany. Now look at the black there. Okay, Goethe over here, Goethe lived here, okay. Yes, quickly, this is a very special channel, okay? Yeah. Behind to us, behind you can see some remarkable tower. Okay, only from here, only from here. Only from here you can see the tower. Wow.
How much for
90 euro.
90 euro, and how long? It's
20 to 30 minutes. We have different options.
okay.
Okay, the first one is 90 euro. Okay, is Gran Canale. Little Channel is 135 with the old area, Marco Polo House, Casanova House, and Santa Maria Church. I'm like a guide, I explain you everything, okay? And we come back. The third is 180, you go San Marco Square. I don't recommend San Marco Square, okay, because you go walking. I recommend the first is Gran Canale, up and down, or the second is the similar time, but the quality is superior. Okay, because you go in the heart of Venice.
I want a 30-minute ride and go not in the Grand Canal, but a small one, small pass. Is possible?
Is the second option, 135.
135
Yes.
and 30 minutes
25, 35.
and 135. ちょっと高いな。
No, it depends the traffic. In this moment is 25 to 30 because there is no traffic. Okay. The trip is the same. Change related by the traffic. Okay. In this moment is very quiet. Also in the little channel, 135 is the medium. Is very quiet because there is no motorboat.
Okay, thank you.
Mister, you are only 2 people.
Yeah, we are.
We can offer a little discount for the medium if you want. Okay, not 135, 120.
No, I'm gonna search 91.
No, it's everywhere the same. Okay, maybe you find another one. Maybe you find another.
Go.
Now, I just asked my boss. Okay, this is my boss. He says okay, 90 euro for the medium. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.